Hey folks, this is The Collector 6819 coming back at you with another box break of 2013 Total Memorabilia to Blaster Box from Target. Okay, well, here's our one pack. Get it opened up here. We have a Memory Lane, Davey Allison. We have a Smooth Operator, Jeff Burton. We have a Justin Aguirre. We have a Mark Martin. And we have a Cole Witt fire suit. It's got some stitching up here in the corner, which is pretty cool. Non-numbered, it looks like. But still, it's pretty cool. Okay. That's it. Thanks for watching my box break of 2013 Total Memorabilia NASCAR. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next time.